Have you ever marveled at the colossal stone structures left by ancient civilizations, like the pyramids of Egypt or the megaliths of Stonehenge, and wondered how on earth they moved and lifted such immense blocks with seemingly primitive tools? The direct answer is that ancient builders employed a sophisticated understanding of fundamental physics, primarily the principle of leverage, combined with other simple machines like ramps, rollers, and sheer organized human and animal power. At its core, leverage is about using a rigid bar or lever to multiply force. Imagine trying to lift a heavy stone directly. It would be impossible. But by placing a pivot point, or fulcrum, close to the stone and applying force at the end of a long lever, a much smaller effort can move a much larger weight. This allowed ancient engineers to overcome incredible gravitational forces, making the impossible possible by distributing work over distance. Beyond simple levers, they ingeniously combined these with other fundamental tools. Ramps, for instance, allowed heavy blocks to be moved upwards gradually, trading vertical lift for horizontal distance. Rollers made from logs reduced friction significantly, enabling huge stones to be dragged across surfaces. Wedges were used to split stones and also to fine-tune their positioning, while the use of sledges pulled by many workers distributed the load. The process was often iterative and precise. Builders would carefully place a massive stone, then use levers to slightly raise one edge. They would then slide in shims or smaller stones to hold it at the new height. They repeated this process, inch by painstaking inch, often using a rocking motion to gain height or shift position. There is also evidence suggesting that some civilizations lubricated wooden rollers or tracks with water or even mud to further reduce friction, a surprisingly advanced technique for its time. So, the mystery of how ancient civilizations moved and lifted massive blocks boils down to their profound, albeit intuitive, grasp of basic mechanical principles. Their ingenuity, coupled with meticulous planning and coordinated effort, allowed them to transform modest forces into monumental achievements, showcasing a remarkable understanding of the physical world that continues to inspire awe today.
If mystery moves you, like, subscribe, and keep questioning everything.